Hi there, it's Kath from BeeBee Leaf here. I'm here to show you what is in the cheese pack. So with the cheese pack you receive 3 different wraps, all of them 26 by 26 centimetres. You'll have 3 different designs and we offer this in a few different collections, so please take a look at the website to see which one you like best. So how you would wrap is using the heat of your hands to shape it around the cheese. That one will stay super fresh, and you may have, like me, a gigantic piece of cheddar for your kids who absolutely go through it like wildfire. And there you go, heat of your hands, it stays put. And the last one, this lovely cranberry Stilton. And there we go, the cheese pack.